2025 tested your patience as an investor. This is for you. 2025 wasn't an easy year for investors. Markets were volatile, sectors kept rotating, and returns became far more stock specific. So, in a year like this, what actually worked? In all this noise, UTI large and mid cap funds stayed anchored to a steady path. The fund didn't try to predict markets or sit on cash. Instead, it stayed invested, focused on managing risk, and remained disciplined. An approach that helped it navigate the year effectively. UTI Large and Mid Cap Fund did not try to time the market. The market volatility was managed by building a resilient portfolio. The fund stayed true to its relative value philosophy, picking stocks where prices were reasonable and stepping back where valuations ran ahead of fundamentals. Every investment followed a simple principle: don't overpay and always leave a margin of safety. When certain stocks became expensive or too overcrowded, exposure was consciously trimmed and profits were booked. UTI Large and Mid Cap Fund also stayed cautious in high risk, overheated parts of the market. Even when these areas looked attractive in the short term, the risk wasn't worth the reward. This discipline helped limit downside during market corrections. At the same time, the fund continued to look out for emerging opportunities. When prices made sense, it stepped in calmly and selectively. For example, even with a lower overall allocation to financial services sector, careful stock selection within the sector continued to add value. Further, as sectoral leadership evolved during the year, UTI Large and Mid Cap Fund selectively increased exposure to sectors like IT, automobiles, oil and gas, and real estate. Not because they were popular, but because valuations were reasonable and business fundamentals were improving. Importantly, this was done without chasing momentum in these sectors or taking outsized risk. Throughout the year, prudent stock selection remained the key driver of outcomes. The fund's approach stayed firmly bottom up, focusing on quality businesses with strong balance sheets and reasonable valuations. Where fundamentals weakened or risk increased, the fund was comfortable stepping back. If 2025 delivered one clear message, it is this: difficult markets reward discipline, not aggression. That's how the UTI Large and Mid Cap Fund aims to build investors' wealth, staying invested, staying selective, and thinking long term. Because the UTI Large and Mid Cap Fund is built not just for strong market years, but to navigate the tough ones as well.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.